Good day everyone, how you doing? I hope you guys doing very well there, and welcome back to our channel. It is very happy to see you again into another video. So this time I would like to share you how to transform this photo to become this one. As you can see, on the left side will be the selfie photo of a man who is wearing the green hoodie in the park as the background, and after using the special prompt, so this picture can be transformed into the full body picture of him, and also he is standing on the phone that is playing the certain song. How to do that? So it is very easy. Without any further ado, and let's get into the tutorial. Well guys, the tool that I will use here is Nano Banana, and here I am accessing it with the Google AI Studio. However, if you would like to access this Nano Banana via Google AI or Gemini AI, so it is very okay, and also don't forget to do the login first with your email, and after that this will be the home page. And don't worry, because I will also show you the prompt that you can use with your version. And the next step is I would like to upload a picture, for example this one, into my gallery or from my gallery. And you can use this prompt that I will put into the description box. And basically the prompt would be like this: from a cheerful man's close-up selfie in a standard indoor setting, like this. Transform the scene into the realistic surreal digital artwork, where the same man, now in a full body shoot, and also stand confidently on a gigantic ultra-realistic smartphone screen displaying a music player interface. So this is the interface, like the phone is playing the music over here. And the man should be looking at the viewer with a slight smile, as if he's the content being played. As you can see, this is the same man, like this. And also the background should be clean, minimalist studio setting with a soft, even lighting. And after that, you can continue to click run and kindly wait for the result down here. And don't worry, because the result that I have made before would be like this, guys. And if you have any requests or feedback about this prompt, please don't worry guys to put it on the comment section, because we would love to share comments there. And please let us know too about the result of yours, and you can chat it into the comment section. I'll see you in another video, and thank you for watching. Bye guys.